morning everyone, my name is Gauri. Today our class 7B is going to present your spoken English program. So listen it carefully and silently. Let's start the today's program with good thoughts. Akshata, come here and tell us today's good thought.
Opportunity does not knock your door, then build a door. Once again, if opportunity does not knock your door, then build a door. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshata. Next, every day is a special day. So let's see what is today's special. Shreya, come here and tell us today's special. Today's special is National Development Day. Thank you, Shreya. Next, my friend Radha will tell us today's good thought. Today's news headlines. First news in Madhya Pradesh. Fire brigade factory, 9 killed. Madhya Pradesh accident, 200 injured. Second news, a revolution will be made in energy. Prime Minister Narendra Modi second Bharat Energy Week. Thank you. Thank you, Radha. Next, that's the time to learn some new. Kartiki, come here and tell us today's moral story. My story name is The True Friends. Once there were two friends, a squirrel and puppy. The squirrel was a very sporty and always won the game. The puppy felt bad and threw that it was of no use. One day it started running heavily. Squirrel was a high speed, doing antics, but suddenly lost his balance and fell in the rainwater. He called Puppy for help. Puppy come for help. Squirrel climbed on Puppy's back. He reached a safe place. Squirrel thanked his friend Puppy for saving his life. Moral of the story is always confidence in ourselves. Everyone is you. Next, my friend Akshara will ask you some GK questions. Let's see how many of you can give answers.
First, what is the most popular state in India? Yes, correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. Second, what is the richest state in India? Correct answer is Maharashtra. Third, who wrote the national anthem?
Rabindranath Tagore.
Yes, correct answer is Rabindranath Tagore. Fourth, which is the largest state in India? Yes,
Rajasthan.
Yes, correct answer is Rajasthan. Fifth, what's the national animal of Australia?
Red kangaroo.
Yes, correct answer is red kangaroo.
Next, my friend Bhagyashree and Vaidahi will present your conversation. Please present the conversation.
Hello friends, my name is Vaidahi. Hello friends, my name is Bhagyashree. Today we are going to present conversation at the post office. Excuse me ma'am, where will I get postcards and stamp? Go to counter number 5. Thank you so much. You are welcome.
Now counter number at 5.
Please give me 5 postcards and 5 ₹1 stamp. Yes, of course. Here is your and please give my change. How much? 10 rupees. I have a 20 rupees note. May I get change please? Yes, of course. Here is your change. Thank you. Thanks a lot. You are welcome and please come again to the post office. Yes. Thank you.
Next, our class 7B girls are going to present here a poem. God's love, it's so wonderful.